Evaluate learners based on multiple criteria by creating and using an analytic rubric. This tutorial shows how to create an analytic rubric. To begin, from Rubrics, click New Rubric. Enter a name for your rubric. Rubrics auto-saves your changes. Change the status of your rubric if necessary. For this example, keep the default Published. Click Rubric Type to change the rubric to Holistic. For this example, leave rubric type as Analytic. Then, select your scoring method. Scoring methods include No Score, Points, and Custom Points. Note: Custom Points rubrics can be used to create weighted rubrics. In this example, we will use the default points method. You can reverse the level order of the rubric, add new levels before or after the existing levels using Add New Level Before or Add New Level After, respectively, at any time. Remove levels using Remove Level. Criteria can be rearranged by using the handles to drag and drop the criterion into the new location. Remove criterion you are no longer using with Remove Criterion. Use Add Criterion to add new criteria to the rubric. Begin filling in your rubric. Click the criterion text box to edit it. Update the level names and values. Next, add the criteria and level details to tell learners how the rubric will be applied to their work. When adding details, you will have access to basic HTML, such as bold, italics, and bulleted lists. If desired, you can include initial feedback that will display to learners when they review the rubric. Navigate to Overall Score. Add details into the Overall Score feedback. Next, click Options. Here you can update rubric visibility. Select Hide Scores from Students to hide students' points value if you use a different grade scheme. Enter a description for the rubric for your personal reference. Edit Advanced Availability to change associations with competencies and ePortfolio. When you are ready, click Close. Your rubric displays. Evaluate learners based on multiple criteria by creating and using an analytic rubric.